On Wednesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness had a high-level meeting with representatives from the World Bank.
So I think the next frontier of deep cooperation between Jamaica and the World Bank will be in this area of the development of human resources. And there are some subsets of that which we would want to pay critical attention to, and that is the creation of a digital society. And that has many elements to it, obviously. There are some infrastructure issues that we have to address. And one of them is the development of a broadband network backbone for the country that will ensure that access to the internet is reliable, available, and affordable.
The Prime Minister was accompanied by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw, and Information Minister Favour Williams. The World Bank team was led by Vice President of Latin America and the Caribbean region, Carlos Caramillo. The team also included Country Director for Caribbean Countries, Lilia Brunswick, Resident Representative for Guyana and Jamaica, Ozan Savimile, and Country Manager for the Caribbean, Judith Green. Prime Minister Holness said, quote, "Jamaica and the World Bank have had a very strong and impactful relationship, which has yielded many great outcomes. We are happy for the continued partnership with the World Bank to pursue development in multiple areas across our country," end quote. Regional Vice President of the World Bank, Carlos Caramillo, pledged the World Bank's support towards a better, more resilient future for Jamaica. The meeting comes days after the World Bank, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, priced a catastrophe bond that will give the Jamaican government financial protection of up to $185 million against losses from named storms for 3 Atlantic tropical cyclone seasons ending in December 2023. Jamaica is the first government in the Caribbean region and the first small island state in the world to independently sponsor a catastrophe bond.